Is laughter contagious? Okay, here's the thing. Many of our emotions and actions are in fact contagious, including laughter. And this is primarily due to synchronization effects. It means when a group of people hear loud, hilarious laughter, their brains become synchronized and start to laugh together. A study from Aalto University in Finland used an fMRI, functional magnetic resonance, to look at individuals' brains while they're shown brief, enjoyable, neutral, and terrible movies. They found that strong and unpleasant feelings synchronized participants' emotional processing networks in the frontal and midline regions of the brain, while highly exciting movies synchronized activity in brain networks supporting vision, attention, and sense of touch. Lori Numanmaa, a Finnish psychologist from Aalto University in Finland, mentioned that sharing others' emotional states provides the observers a somatosensory and neural framework that facilitates understanding others' intentions and actions and allows to tune in or sync with them. Such automatic tuning facilitates social interaction and group processes. Another study from the Imperial College in London, published in the Journal of Neuroscience, demonstrated a possible mechanism for contagious laughter, and that is positive sounds. When people giggle, which triggers a response in the region of the listener's brain that becomes activated when we smile, as if preparing facial muscles to laugh. Dr. Sophie Scott, a senior research fellow at the Institute of Cognitive Neuroscience, stated that we've known for some time now that when we're talking to someone, we often mirror their behavior, copying the words they use and mimicking their gestures. Now we've shown that the same appears to apply to laughter too, at least at the level of the brain. Researchers at the Institute played two different types of sounds using the fMRI scanner to measure volunteers' brain responses. Uplifting sounds like laughter or triumph, and undesirable ones such as yelling and coughing. The sounds activated a reaction in the premotor cortical region of the brain, which prepares facial muscles to act accordingly. The results for positive sounds were noticeably higher than the negative ones. This suggests that the positive sounds are more contagious. Researchers think this explains why we respond to laughter or cheering with an involuntary smile. Dr. Sophie Scott further commented that we usually encounter positive emotions, such as laughter or cheering, in group situations, whether watching a comedy program with family or a football game with friends. This response in the brain, automatically priming us to smile or laugh, provides a way of mirroring the behavior of others, something which helps us interact socially. It could play an important role in building strong bonds between individuals in a group. Speaking of contagious laughter, have you heard about the story of the laughing epidemic of Tanganyika, that's modern-day Tanzania? It was 1962 when 3 schoolgirls who were studying at a boarding school in a village started to laugh. The laughter continued until it gradually got worse to the point where the girls began to tear up. Symptoms of heavy laughter spread. By now, 95 of the boarding school's 159 students were affected, and it just got worse and worse to the point that the school had to be shut down. When it finally reopened, 50 students started to laugh again. The laughter affected nearby villages, and the hysteria marched forward. When the laughter finally ceased, 2.5 years later, it had affected more than 1,000 people. Now we know that contagious laughter can occur among complete strangers in a group setting, which reiterates Ella Wheeler Wilcox, an American author and poet, when she said, "Laugh and the world laughs with you." Thank you for watching this episode of Fancied Facts. Please stay tuned for more episodes in the future. Have a great day and take care.